think we got one of the other groups over here. Hey, if you want to see how the other half live. Oh, look at that. Nice. Now, you guys all fitting underneath here?
Oh, yeah. Sure. We're going to get nice and cozy together. You know.
Oh, look at that. You got gear off there behind the heat reflector.
Yeah.
That's a Battle Buddy slumber party right there.
Oh, yes, it is. Tactical cuddle. We're about to go have a good time.
We found a waterfall with some crabs and stuff, so we're going to go check that out. There we go.
The house exploded? That's what I saw, dude.
You guys from Alaska, it's like nothing.
Straight out, so I'm keeping space and close.
Try the left side? Getting.
No.
Yeah, I'm not touching.
We're staying for it.